Yo, what is going on YouTube? Technically T, man, bringing you another quick video today. And I know we were literally just sitting here last night. I shot that video last night telling you what S10 that I was going to pre-order. And I was sitting right here. I just did the video. So why am I back here tonight, sitting in the same place talking about my pre-order of the S10 Plus that I did yesterday? But you already see the title, so you already know what I am about to say. So in that video last night, sitting here, I said I was gonna go ahead and pre-order. Actually, I did pre-order the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, just browsing the internet, man, looking at some videos of a lot of other creators out there talking about their pre-orders and what they actually ordered, which device they ordered to review on their channel. And every single person, doesn't matter how big the size was, from big to small, everyone was ordering the S10 Plus. And when I'm talking about everyone, I mean everyone. So then I took it upon myself, was the people don't want to see the same phone reviewed over and over. I mean, everybody usually is going to have the same thing to say about these devices. I mean, all the Samsung devices have been amazing. Just take a look at the Note 9 reviews. I mean, everybody loved that phone, so therefore the S10 Plus is just gonna be a little bit better. Now, I'm not saying it's better than the Note 9 if you have a Note 9 upgrade. You know, I'm not saying that at all. The reviews are gonna be similar, man, and nobody, now I'm talking about nobody, so if you're watching this video and you're thinking about changing your order up, I'ma know because you wasn't actually thinking about the S10 I until this video, man. But yes, I actually canceled my pre-order of the S10 Plus and decided to go with the S10 I. Now, I know a lot of you have like, yo, why? T, why in the world would you change and go with the economy or peasant version or whatever you want to call it, S10? Why in the world did I switch from the S10 Plus to the S10 I? So just like I said, number one, my main reason, nobody is covering the device, man. And I think this device is very, very solid for the price at $750. Now, I did bump it up a little bit. I went to the $850 version because I wanted that 256 gigs of storage. And I also wanted those 8 gigs of RAM. Now, I'm not sure if the 6 or the 8 would have really mattered, but the only differences that you're getting is one, the in-screen fingerprint scanner. Yes, that's cool. Is it a necessity? No, that's just a cool feature that everybody wants to pay for. 2, telephoto lens. Now, I never use my telephoto lens. I don't care if it's on my iPhone or it's on whatever phone I have. I never use the telephoto lens. So therefore, I'm not gonna trip about it now not having it. You see what I'm saying? I never used it before. I'm not gonna trip about not having it now. So that's reason number 2. And reason number 3, of course, with the S10 and the S10 Plus, you do have that quad HD screen. And with the S10 I think they're calling it, I'm not sure what they're calling it, but it's like a 2280 by 1080, or I don't know the dimensions. It's basically a 1080p display, but I've heard it was an amazing display. So I can deal with that. I know it's Samsung, they're gonna make excellent displays, but my reasoning behind this was everybody feels like they gotta go out and get the latest and greatest, the best, the most expensive when these phones come out. And trust me, I was a victim of that. I always went and bought the biggest, the baddest phone that came out. But these phones, for one, are getting a little bit too expensive, man. And I want to show people that you can get an amazing device and not spend nowhere near $1,000, because we're talking about the S10 I. The S10 I is priced at $750. Now, for what you're getting, that's going to be directly compared to the XR. In my opinion, it destroys the XR in a lot of ways, except battery. I think the XR might still have it on battery, but it really destroys the XR. So in direct competitor, no. I think whatever iPhone comes out with this year, yes, that might be a direct competitor. So that's the main reason why I wanted to switch it up a little bit, man, and go with the S10 I, because everybody is rushing to get that S10 Plus. Now, don't get me wrong, that S10 Plus looks like a big dog. Trust me. It looks stupid dope, and I'm pretty sure I might miss the quad HD, but it's cool because I got the Note, and that's fine. You know, we can get into that, man. So that's the reason why I'm getting the 10 I, man. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. I told all my case companies that I was getting the Plus. Got tons of Plus cases here, but your boy is getting the E cases. So that means if you're out there and you want an S10 Plus, there will be some giveaway opportunities, man. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, man. I might just pick somebody in the comment and boom, send you your stuff. Don't really know how I'm gonna do it yet, man, but stay tuned to the channel. So you heard it here. Prism White S10 I 256 gigs. You may be disappointed because you were looking forward to some S10 Plus content, man. But I'm just trying to be a little different, man, kind of switch it up for my fans, because you guys might want to see the budget-friendly version. But I just wanted to tell you that little quick note. I know I made that previous video. I'm gonna keep it up, but I'll be sure to link this video too, man, to let you know that I did change my pre-order. But technically, T, stay tuned to the channel. Samsung Galaxy S10 I content coming at you, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Later.